You can just control yourself. Hello, my friend. Welcome to my channel. This is Amira. The only person you have and you can control is yourself. Often in life, we look and want from others to behave according our wishes. Work with something that you can control. This lesson is useful in different situations in life. Do not try in vain to inject the path that is your value and goal to someone else or another people, another team, because they don't have the passion and that inner passion and interest, and you are forcing it. You cannot force someone or them to accept that. I want to tell you, and you should understand, you have to understand, what is important to you may not be important for someone else. You have to understand this. Spend energy on yourself, on your life, and I realize it after so many years. You have to understand this, because you are the one and only main character and hero of your life. No one else is and will never be. So, what's now? Get up and be in the center of the circle. I mean, the circle of your life. Be the main color in the middle of that circle, because the rest of the people, the rest of the colors are pale and secondary, and you are the main one. Understand this. And as usual, always remember, you cannot take someone else's place, and also no one can take your place too. Write a comment for me, and if you like my video, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my videos, supporting me, and listening to me. Thank you so much. Be in the shelter of God's love, always, forever, and beyond. And remember, there is only one you. Ashe. Amira Rani. Bye.